Hi, Steven here. I'll start with the point. This strategy doesn't try to guess the market. It shows when the market is ready, and that's why it's so precise. In this video, I'll walk you through how it works, which signals I trust, and why decision making becomes much easier with this logic. Stick around till the end. The final example explains it better than words ever could. I'd appreciate it if you hit like and subscribe. Let's get into it. First thing, let's set up the tools. I'm running classic candles, 1 minute time frame. Then go to the indicators and add MACD and CCI. Let's set up MACD first. Fast period is 10, slow period 20, signal period is 5. Then go to style, turn off the MACD line and the signal line. Set the up bars to turquoise, opacity pushed up. Do the same for the down bars and then click save. Now CCI, set the period to 10, then go to style, turn off the background, mainline turquoise with the 2, set the +100 and -100 lines to red, opacity pushed up, and then click save. Indicators are ready to go. If you're trading on your phone, just set up everything the same way. On Telegram, you see the entire process: analysis, execution, and results. I post outcomes, share observations, and help members directly. You can trade manually or use auto copy trading. There are private strategies and an analysis bot. Access is open, but spots are limited. Message me while it's still available. The market immediately gives a clean signal of weakness, 2-minute expiration, and I open a sell trade for $96. Now let me break down exactly why I'm looking short here. First, MACD. You can clearly see the histogram roll over and flip into a bearish phase. Bars turn red and start moving lower. That tells me upside momentum is exhausted and structure is shifting. Buyer pressure fades, priority starts rotating lower. Then I check CCI. The turquoise line crosses down through the upper red boundary. That's an exit from overbought conditions and confirmation that momentum is turning. This isn't just slowing, downside pressure is actively forming. Clean execution, I take $88 profit and move on. Sellers stay in control, 2-minute expiration, and I open a sell trade for $184. Price first breaks slightly higher out of a short consolidation, creating the illusion of continuation. But that push loses strength fast. There's no enough upside energy to hold higher ground. The move up is brief and unsupported. Momentum quickly flips back to the sellers, price accelerates lower, structure changes, candles print cleanly without sharp reversals. The downside move develops calmly and with control. The bullish idea fully gives way to a bearish one. Indicators line up perfectly and confirm the shift lower. Good continuation, another $169, rhythm stays intact. The market quickly changes structure, 2-minute expiration, and I open a buy trade for $1,304. After a sequence of steady drops, price finally hits a support zone where seller pressure weakens. Price stops pushing lower and gets bought almost immediately. Every attempt to continue down gets shut down fast. Candles stretch higher and close above prior levels, forming a clear bullish sequence. Pullbacks stay shallow and brief. The market refuses to revisit the lows, and that's a clear sign buyers have taken control. Clean execution plus $1,200. Moving on. Final entry forms on the clear structural break, 2-minute timer, and I open a sell trade for $2,000. The attempt to continue higher fails quickly. Price can hold above resistance. Each push up is weaker than the last. Buyer initiative fades out as well. The downside impulse kicks in. Candles start closing lower in sequence. The move gets aggressive and directional. There's no hesitation and no indecision. Strong finish. I lock in $1,840. Balance hits $4,344. It's time to wrap this session up. Balance moves from $96 all the way to $4,344. Excellent result. If you got questions about the strategy or you want to go deeper, message me on Telegram anytime and I'll be happy to help. Thanks a lot for watching. Thanks for liking the video and subscribing to the channel. I'll catch you in the next one. Trade smart.